Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word phonographs. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My grandparents still have a collection of phonographs that they play old records on. Phonographs are early sound reproducing devices that play music or sound recordings stored on cylindrical or flat discs, popular before the invention of modern record players. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.